Oh, now we're into uncharted territory. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. She lies? What? She hasn't even said anything. It's like Miri and No One Warns the Wicked. Oh, he's a captain. Oh, oh, he doesn't even know. He doesn't even know.
Oh, he doesn't know yet.
This is such a cute song already. Oh. Clearly not the truth.
You're such a fucking liar.
You're such a fucking liar.
You're such a fucking liar.
Oh, so that's what... But that's true. So how would they know that? Oh, I don't want her to go bad because she's like enjoying the fame of it all, the spotlight. I wonder how much time has passed because she's not wanting to be found. Oh, she's getting another song where she's supposed to be gleeful and completely overcast of sadness over her because she does have everything she's wanted, but it's not how she wanted it. Wow, I love this. Are we getting bangers again in part 2? She's like having to convince herself. It's so harsh. I'll give you a full clap for that. That was great. Well, he wasn't, but... Oh, no. Bobby. Oh, she's the governor. What? Damn. Her family is so rotted. Not the ableism, but Nessa Rose is just such trash. Oh, you're not helping me enough. You took care of me all my life, but not enough.
No, she just stepped away. Your name...
Oh. She didn't understand. Are they gonna make Nessa Rose walk?
To keep you here with me, but none of that matters anymore.
She's been manipulating laws and rights so that he stays with her? What a trash box.
She's a disgrace to humanity, and she's a disgrace to women who are actually beautiful and classy, and she just doesn't have the vernacular that she thinks she possesses. Somebody lied to her several times and told her that she was fly, hot, and sexy and beautiful, and she's nothing like that. She's nothing of the sort.
She's garbage. She's gonna kill him because he won't love her? Why are you singing all this but you just tried to kill him? Wicked Witch of the East is born. I love it. Won't need one? I think he's gonna be the Tin Man, isn't he? Oh my god. Wow. Nessa Rose. Garbage.
The strong one, would you like someone to take care of you? Let me take care of you.
He's manipulative. Why is he trying to be nice now?
Oh my god, I'm gonna jump overboard! You're not jumping over. Liar! No one believed in you more than I did.
What's he got to offer? He has no power. Except political power.
I got carried away. And not just by...
He's not really taking like accountability. He's just like, sorry, I'm just like, everything is so took over me. I couldn't help it.
All in which label is able to persist.
Oh, shit. Wow. This song has a lot to say.
Truth hurts, bitch.
No, it can't be.
Dr. Dillerman.
Dr. Dillman. Let him.
Oh, he can't speak anymore.
I have nothing in common. I am nothing like you.
Good.
And I never will be. And I will
This guy.
fight you till the day I die. Fiyero.
Ooh.
Fiyero, thank God.
Silence, witch! There's a goat
No.
on the land, sir.
Oh my god, that's so stupid.
I'm going with her.
Misplaced his mind. Oh, is he gonna call the Scarecrow? No mind, cause like in the first movie he's wanted to be free-minded and all that. Oh, bitch.
Good God, girl, get a grip. She crazy.
Use her sister. Spread a rumor. Make her think her sister
Wow.
is trouble and
It's just evil. Just plain evil.
I mean, she's acting out over the fact that she just lost her guy to her best friend, but that's cold. But we don't like Nessaros, but I don't like the implication of what that means. Oh, she's doing this song now.
I can't.
I got goosebumps right now. Oh, goosebumps. This is gonna eat the house down in the movie. Ooh, what are these two gonna do? Love song.
Kissy, kissy.
Oh, sexy. Oh, she's killing it in this song.
Exactly. Ew. Seriously.
You ate that.
Wow, this is amazing, guys. Ooh. They're gonna wake up their bodies?
Heard about this BDE. I was just basically DTF.
Make up for lost time. Oh, damn, they horny.
Fear, horniness, fear-based horniness.
This guy's killing this song. This is sexy. Oh my god, I cannot wait to see Cynthia and Jonathan Bailey do this together. This is her best song so far, because maybe it's because I haven't heard the alternate version that we're going to get, but she killed this.
It's just for the first time I feel wicked.
Ooh. That was so good. I love that first song that Glinda does and this song. Oh, and Glinda doing I'm Not That Girl gave me goosebumps.
It's a house, but it's flying through the
The tornado. Is it one of her visions or did she really visually see that?
Did you visually see that?
All that was left of her were those shoes, and now that wretched little farm girl has walked off with them.
Yes. Yeah.
Well, we can't all come and go by bubble.
Ooh. Damn. They laid into each other. Damn. They're going out for it. Come on, girl. It's funny and everything, but I hope some of these things aren't played for laughs. And oh, god Damn. Aiming the gun at Glinda is wild. God, break Glinda's heart.
Put him up on those poles till he tells us where to win.
I knew it. This is moving fast too. Oh, she's trying to protect him. Oh, wow. I kind of wish I had seen this before the movie because, like, I feel like she's killing these second act songs more, but that's because I haven't heard Cynthia do it, and I know she's just gonna smoke the hell out of her with these. No, oh there. We go with the nasal high note again. She's going bad. Fiyero is the last straw. Bach is pissed.
Oh, come on, you! Come on! Tell them what she did to you in class that day! How you were just a little cub, and she kidnapped you!
That was funny. The lion's little tail sticking out. But I'm definitely not gonna like Bach in part 2.
Perhaps it was just her time.
She did it with the weather.
Did you do that?
You wanted this from the beginning. Now you're getting what you wanted.
I don't think she wanted people dead.
And wave. And shut up.
I'm looking forward to Madame Morrible being D again, because her being evil in that moment in the last one, that was kind of an opportunity there to have a reprise of that. Oh, she's trying to get Chistry to speak. Dodo, that's incredible. Oh. She's saying she's limited.
Slap me in my face and gouge my eye out with a plastic spoon.
No, I don't like this. Elphaba could do it all. Oh, that tune. Do 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 do. That happened when in the movie when they were by the mirror. I'm so hypersensitive to music. That was a moment in the movie where she said she was beautiful. Oh, I know this song. Oh my god. I've heard this song because I've heard Kristen sing it with Alanis Morissette. I'm a former Alanis Morissette fan. That's a story for another day.
But that's a story for another day.
Oh. Break a heart. Oh my god. Now the title makes 500% more sense. And how heartbroken I was in the first movie when I thought they were going to leave at the train station, and then it sucked even more when it was up at the window. And now it's here. This is definitely the last time they see each other, isn't it? And she's gonna die. So amazing. Oh, they're going through all of this, and like, poor Dorothy's down there in the castle.
I'm frightened. Come back.
And like, Scarecrow and Tin Man and Lion are saving her right now. Well, they're all like, I'm better for having known you.
That's hysterical.
What's happening? Dorothy, that bitch. Glinda looks so scared. Oh, he talks. I knew it. Daddy. You're stupid, man. Persecuting your own kid.
And you are taking an indefinite leave of absence.
Oh.
Did you hear what I said?
So that's the real reason why he leaves with Dorothy.
I hope you prove me wrong. I doubt you will. Take her away!
Oh, that's gonna be good. That's so good. Oh, we're going back to the beginning? The beginning with No One Mourns the Wicked? What's that? Is it Scarecrow?
It worked.
Fiyero?
Oh! Oh, yay!
Well done, Mama.
Fellow Aussians.
Oh, we get a happy ending.
We've been through a frightening time, and there will be other times and other things that frighten us. If you'll let me,
Come on, Glinda.
I'd like to try to be Glinda the Good.
I'm glad Elphaba and Fiyero get to stay together.
I only wish
What?
that Glinda could know that we're alive.
She can't know. Not if we want to be safe. No one can ever know.
I wonder if they could ever do, if this is how they do it in the movie, if they could do more movies. Mm-hmm.